Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Charles Schwab account setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your Charles Schwab account setup, visit their official website. Once there, locate the Open an Account button. Click on it to initiate the account creation process. You will be prompted to choose the type of account you wish to open. Select from options such as individual brokerage, retirement account, or joint account. After making your selection, click Continue. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information. Fill out your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Proceed to the employment section and enter your job details. This includes your employer's name and your occupation. Then, you'll be asked to provide financial information. This may include your annual income, net worth, and investment experience. Review the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing. Once you agree, click Continue to move forward. You may be prompted to create a username and password for your account. Choose a secure password that meets the requirements provided on the screen. After setting your credentials, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or providing identification documents. Complete the verification process as instructed. After successful verification, you will reach the funding section. Here, you can choose how to fund your account. Select from options like bank transfer or wire transfer. If you choose a bank transfer, you will need your bank account information. Fill in the required details and confirm the transfer amount. Once your account is funded, you'll receive a confirmation email. Log into your account using the username and password you created. You will see your account dashboard upon logging in. Explore the features available to you, such as trading tools and research resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.